Welcome to this short guided meditation. In just 3 minutes, we'll focus on releasing tension in your face and jaw, common areas where stress likes to hide. Find a quiet, comfortable space and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, fill your lungs, and exhale, letting your shoulders drop one more time. Inhale and exhale completely, releasing any tension you feel in your body. Now, bring to your awareness your face. Notice how it feels right now. Is your brow furrowed? Are your lips tight? Just observe without judgment. Start by softening your forehead. Imagine a warm wave of relaxation smoothing out any creases. Let your eyebrows drift apart, creating space and ease. Move your focus to your eyes. Gently close them and let your eyelids become heavy. Feel the tiny muscles around your eyes loosen and release. Now shift your attention to your cheeks. Let them soften as if they're melting into your face. Notice how the release spreads across your skin. Next, bring awareness to your jaw. Are you clenching? If so, take a moment to let your jaw hang slightly open, allowing space between your teeth. Imagine the tension dissolving like a block of ice melting in the sun. Slowly move your jaw side to side. If it feels comfortable, release your stiffness. Then let it settle into a neutral, relaxed position. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a warm golden light spreading across your face, gently relaxing every muscle. With each exhale, feel the tension draining away. Let's take one more deep breath together. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly, releasing the last bits of tension from your face and jaw. Now, bring your awareness back to the room around you, wiggling your fingers and your toes as if it feels right. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take this sense of ease with you as you move throughout your day.